It's the biggest show. I mean, the excitement of being at Madison Square Garden, being in New York City, but it's the biggest, most prestigious, the oldest dog show. People from all over the world come. I grew up in dog. This is Billy. He's a standard poodle and Sebastian show winner. He won at the Morrissey Essex show, which is another very big prestigious show back in October. He was here enjoying his lunch.
And is he going on?
You get what you needed? I did, thank you. Set up.
Is she being nice? Are you guys being nice?
So this is Graham. He's an Old English sheepdog. He's 4 years old. He's awesome. He's our pet. He gets to run around and herd our kids and herd all his fellow dogs and cats, and then he gets to come to the dog show and be a show dog.
Old English sheepdog.
There's nothing like it. The environment, from the moment you walk in these doors, the energy, it's pretty cool.
Let's eat it.
Because of the size of the show, you're always a little nervous. Probably a little easier when it's your own, because it's your own expectations and you just want them to show well.
Hoping for a win, as everybody else that is entered here, right?
We would love to get to the best in show ring. We would love to, but there's a lot of battles we have to compete in first.